Life has a way of testing us when we least expect it. There are moments when everything seems to be going well, and then suddenly a trial appears that shakes our heart, our confidence, and even our faith. Some wounds are visible, while others remain hidden behind a smile. Many people carry silent battles, broken dreams, painful memories, and disappointments that no one else truly understands. During these difficult times, it is easy to feel lost, abandoned, or defeated. There are moments in life when a person feels as though everything is falling apart. The plans she carefully made begin to crumble. The people she trusted disappoint her, and the future she imagined suddenly disappears. In those painful moments, it is easy to believe that life is being unfair. It is easy to question why certain hardships keep appearing and why some tests seem heavier than others. Yet what often feels like destruction is actually preparation taking place behind the scenes. Allah, in His infinite wisdom, knows what His servants need long before they realize it themselves. Many of the strongest believers were first placed through difficult trials. Their challenges were not meant to break them permanently, but to shape them into individuals capable of carrying greater responsibilities and blessings. Just as gold is purified through intense heat, a believer's character is refined through hardship. Every disappointment teaches patience. Every betrayal teaches caution and wisdom. Every delay teaches reliance upon Allah, rather than reliance upon worldly means. A woman may spend years wondering why certain doors remained closed despite her sincere efforts. She may feel hurt when opportunities disappear or when people walk away from her life. However, Allah sees what she cannot see. He knows which paths would harm her, which relationships would distract her, and which experiences are necessary for her growth. What appears to be a setback may actually be divine protection. What appears to be a loss may be Allah guiding her towards something far better. The nights she spent crying were not ignored by Allah. Every tear was counted, every prayer was heard, every moment of patience was recorded. During those difficult periods, Allah was teaching her lessons that comfort and ease could never teach. She was learning strength when she thought she was weak. She was developing resilience when she felt exhausted. She was building a deeper connection with her Creator when worldly supports were removed. Over time, she begins to realize that the struggles she once hated were the very experiences that prepared her for future blessings. The wisdom she gained from pain helps her make better decisions. The patience she learned through waiting allows her to face challenges with confidence. The faith she developed through hardship becomes stronger than it ever was during times of ease. The trials that once seemed unbearable become evidence of Allah's care, guidance, and preparation for a purpose far greater than she could have imagined. There are times in life when a person feels completely alone. The people she expected to stand beside her disappear. Friends become distant, relationships change, and those who once promised support are nowhere to be found when difficulties arrive. Such moments can leave deep wounds in the heart. The feeling of abandonment is painful because human beings naturally seek comfort, understanding, and companionship from others. Sometimes Allah allows certain people to leave our lives so that we can discover a relationship that is stronger, purer, and more reliable than any worldly connection. When everyone else walked away, Allah remained. When nobody understood the pain hidden behind her smile, Allah knew every detail. When she struggled to explain the heaviness in her heart, Allah heard the words she could not even speak. Human beings may see only what appears on the surface, but Allah sees every fear, every worry, and every silent tear. There is no loneliness when a person truly realizes that the Creator of the heavens and the earth is always near. Many people spend years depending heavily on others for their happiness and emotional stability. They believe that certain individuals are necessary for their peace and success. However, when those people leave, they often discover a powerful truth: Allah is enough. The comfort they searched for in creation was always available through their connection with the Creator. What seemed like a painful separation was actually an invitation to strengthen their faith and dependence upon Allah. During lonely nights, she turned to dua. When nobody answered her messages or understood her struggles, she raised her hands to Allah. Every prayer became a source of relief. Every prostration brought peace to a heart that had been overwhelmed with sadness. The more she spoke to Allah, the more she realized that true comfort does not come from people. It comes from knowing that Allah is in control of every situation. Her loneliness gradually transformed into spiritual growth. Instead of constantly seeking validation from others, she found confidence in her relationship with Allah. Instead of fearing abandonment, she trusted the one who never leaves his servants. Instead of allowing disappointment to harden her heart, she allowed faith to strengthen it. The emptiness she once felt was slowly replaced with tranquility, purpose, and hope. Looking back, she realized that the moments she thought were the darkest were actually bringing her closer to Allah than ever before. The absence of people created space for the presence of faith. The loss of worldly support taught her the value of divine support. What once felt like abandonment became one of the greatest blessings because it led her to a deeper understanding of Allah's mercy, love, and constant companionship. The pain she experienced could have easily made her bitter, could have filled her heart with anger, regret, and hopelessness. Many people allow their wounds to define them, carrying the weight of past disappointments for years. They become trapped by memories of betrayal, failure, rejection, or loss. But she chose a different path. Instead of allowing her brokenness to destroy her, she allowed it to transform her. Through faith in Allah, the very struggles that once brought her to tears became the source of her greatest strength. At first, the burden felt unbearable. Every challenge seemed to add another crack to an already wounded heart. She questioned how much more she could endure. There were days when she felt exhausted from fighting battles nobody else could see. Yet with every hardship, Allah was building something powerful within her. The strength was not visible immediately, just as a seed growing beneath the soil cannot be seen. But day by day, lesson by lesson, she was becoming stronger. The disappointments taught her wisdom. She learned that not everyone who enters her life is meant to stay forever. She became more careful about where she placed her trust and more conscious of the people she allowed into her inner circle. The failures taught her humility and perseverance. Instead of giving up after setbacks, she learned how to stand up again and keep moving forward. The delays taught her patience. She discovered that Allah's timing is always more perfect than her own. The tears she cried were not signs of weakness. They were evidence of her struggle, her sincerity, and her determination to keep believing despite the pain. Every time she turned to Allah during moments of difficulty, her faith grew stronger. Every prayer made during hardship strengthened her connection with her Creator. Every act of patience increased her spiritual maturity. The same experiences that once made her feel vulnerable were now making her resilient. She no longer saw herself as a victim of her circumstances. Instead, she saw herself as someone who had survived by the mercy of Allah. Her scars became reminders of battles she had overcome. Her struggles became proof that Allah had carried her through situations she never thought she would survive. What once seemed like the end of her story became a chapter that prepared her for greater blessings and opportunities. The woman who emerged from those trials was not the same person who entered them. She was wiser, stronger, more patient, and more connected to Allah. The broken pieces of her life had been rebuilt into something far stronger than before. Through every hardship, Allah was teaching her that true strength is not the absence of pain. It is the ability to keep trusting Him while walking through it. There were many moments when she thought her plans were perfect. She had dreams she wanted to achieve, people she hoped would stay in her life, and expectations about how her future would unfold. When things did not happen the way she wanted, her heart filled with disappointment. She struggled to understand why certain opportunities disappeared, why some prayers seemed delayed, and why doors she desperately wanted opened remained firmly closed. At the time, it felt as though everything was going wrong. What she could not see was that Allah was arranging something far better than anything she had imagined for herself. Human beings often judge situations based on what they can see in the present moment. If something brings happiness, they consider it good. If it brings pain, they consider it bad. But Allah's knowledge is limitless, while human knowledge is limited. He sees the future, the consequences of every choice, and the hidden realities behind every event. What appears to be a blessing may actually become a source of harm, and what appears to be a hardship may contain countless hidden blessings. There were relationships she desperately wanted to keep, but Allah allowed them to end. At first, she felt heartbroken and confused. Later, she realized that some people were never meant to accompany her on the journey Allah had planned for her. Their departure created space for healthier relationships, personal growth, and a stronger connection with her Creator. What felt like loss was actually protection. There were opportunities she prayed for repeatedly, believing they would bring happiness and success. When those opportunities disappeared, she felt discouraged. Yet as time passed, Allah opened doors she had never even considered. New paths appeared, bringing blessings that exceeded her expectations. She began to understand that Allah's refusal is sometimes a form of mercy, and that His delays are often preparations for something greater. The more she reflected on her journey, the more she noticed a pattern. Every disappointment had a purpose. Every closed door redirected her toward a better destination. Every delay taught patience. Every hardship strengthened her character. Events that once seemed unfair eventually revealed wisdom she could not see when they first occurred. Allah had been guiding her all along, even when she felt lost. Looking back, she realized that if every one of her own plans had succeeded, she might have missed the blessings Allah had prepared for her. She understood that trusting Allah means believing that His wisdom is greater than our understanding and His plan is better than our desires. The story she wanted to write for herself was limited by human knowledge, but the story Allah wrote for her was filled with mercy, growth, protection, and purpose. Through every twist and turn, Allah was rebuilding her life according to a plan far more beautiful than anything she could have created on her own.